Hello lovely audience, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Quick Guide. In this video, I am going to show you how can you watch videos into your Facebook. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Firstly, you just simply have to open the Facebook application into your phone, and after that you can see this video icon just beside the friends option into Facebook. Just simply click into that in order to watch videos into Facebook. You can also use the search button here to find the video that you want. But if this option is not available directly into your Facebook main tab, go to your Facebook menus by clicking to these three bars into the top right side, and from there you can get this video option below the memories and click into that, then you will get the same video tab. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.